Axie Infinity value equivalent to $10.7337 a coin. The present exchange cost range $10.0711 $0.99896. The earlier day close $0.3007. The change was plus $4330 plus 420%. Backwards rate US to Axie. Dollar to Axie Infinity conjecture for June 2024. At the outset cost at 0.54 coins. Excessive cost 0.69 while lows near 54. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 0.60. The US to Ax conjecture toward the month's end 0.64. Change for June 18.5%. US to Ax expectation for July 2024. Before all else cost at 0.64 coins. Excessive cost 0.64 while lows on 52. The arrived at the midpoint of costs 59. The US to Ax conjecture toward the month's end 0.55. Change for July 14.1%. Dollar to Axie Infinity conjecture for August 2024. Before all else cost at 0.55 coins. Excessive costs 55 while lows earn 45. The arrived at the midpoint of cost at 51. The US to Ax estimate toward the month's end 48. Change for August 12.7%. US to Ax expectation for September 2024. First and foremost cost at 0.48 coins. Exorbitant cost 0.48 while lows earn 39. The found the middle value of cost 0.44. The US to Ax estimate toward the month's end 0.41. Change for September 14.6%. Dollar to Axie Infinity estimate for October 2024. At the outset cost at 0.41 coins. Excessive cost 0.44 while lows earn 38. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 0.41. The US to Ax conjecture toward the month's end 0.41. Change for October 0%. US to Ax expectation for November 2024. At the outset cost at 0.41 coins. Excessive cost 0.43 while lows earn 37. The arrived at the midpoint of cost earn 40. The US to Ax conjecture toward the month's end 0.40. Change for November 24%. Dollar to Axie Infinity gauge for December 2024. To start with cost at 0.40 coins. Exorbitant costs to 42 while lows in 37. The found the middle value of cost on 40. The US to Ax gauge toward the month's end 0.39. Change for December 25%. US to Ax expectation for January 2025. To start with cost at 0.39 coins. Excessive costs for 41 while lows on 35. The arrived at the midpoint of cost and 38. The US to Ax figure toward the month's end 0.38. Change for January 26%. Dollar to Axie Infinity figure for February 2025. Before all else cost at 0.38 coins. Excessive costs are 40 while lows on 34. The arrived at the midpoint of cost are 37. The US to Ax figure toward the month's end 0.37. Change for February 26%. To start with cost at 0.37 coins. Exorbitant costs earn 39 while lows on 34. The found the middle value of cost 0.37. The US to Ax estimate toward the month's end 0.36. Change for spring 27%. Dollar to Axie Infinity figure for April 2025. Initially cost at 0.36 coins. Excessive costs 38 while lows earn 33. The arrived at the midpoint of costs 36. The US to Ax figure toward the month's end 0.35. Change for April 28%. US to Ax expectation for May 2025. First and foremost cost at 0.35 coins. Exorbitant costs 37 while lows earn 32. The found the middle value of cost 0.35. The US to Ax conjecture toward the month's end 0.34. Change for May 29%. Dollar to Axie Infinity conjecture for June 2025. At the outset cost at 0.34 coins. Excessive costs earn 34 while lows earn 27. The arrived at the midpoint of cost earn 31. The US to Ax conjecture toward the month's end 29. Change for June 14.7%. US to Ax expectation for July 2025. To start with cost at 0.29 coins. Exorbitant costs are 31 while lows earn 27. The found the middle value of cost earn 29. The US to Ax gauge toward the month's ends earn 28. Change for July 3.4%. Dollar to Axie Infinity gauge for August 2025. To start with cost at 0.28 coins. Exorbitant costs you 36 while lows on 28. The found the middle value of cost 32. The US to Axe gauge toward the month's end 0.34, change for August 21 4%. Before all else cost at 0.34 coins. Excessive cost 0.43, while lows on 34. The arrived at the midpoint of costs 0.38. The US to Axe figure toward the month's end 0.40, change for September 17.6%. Dollar to Axie Infinity figure for October 2025. Before all else cost at 0.40 coins. Excessive costs 0.49, while lows on 40. The arrived at the midpoint of costs 0.44. The US to Axe figure toward the month's end 0.45, change for October 12.5%. US to Axe expectation for November 2025. Initially cost at 0.45 coins. Excessive costs 0.58, while lows on 45. The arrived at the midpoint of costs 0.51. The US to Axe conjecture toward the month's end 54, change for November 20%. At the outset cost at 0.54 coins. Excessive costs 0.54, while lows 0.43. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 0.49. The US to Axe conjecture toward the month's end 0.46, change for December 14.8%. US to Axe expectation for January 2026. To start with cost at 0.46 coins. Exorbitant cost 0.46, while lows earned 37. Found the middle value of cost 0.42. The US to Axe estimate toward the month's end 0.40, change for January 13%. Initially cost at 0.40 coins. Excessive cost 0.40, while lows on 32. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 0.37. The US to Axe figure toward the month's end 0.35, change for February 12.5%. US to Axe expectation for Walk 2026. At the outset cost at 0.35 coins. Excessive cost 0.35, while lows earn 28. The arrived at the midpoint of cost earn 32. The US to Axe conjecture toward the month's end 0.30, change for spring 14.3%. Dollar to Axie Infinity conjecture for April 2026. US to Axe expectation for May 2026. At the outset cost at 0.26 coins. Excessive costs earn 30, while lows earn 26. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 28. The US to Axe conjecture toward the month's end 0.28, change for May 7%. Dollar to Axie Infinity estimate for June 2026. In the first place, cost at 0.28 coins. Exorbitant costs earn 29, while lows earn 25. Found the middle value of cost earn 27. The US to Axe gauge toward the month's end zone 27, change for June 3.6%. US to Axe expectation for July 2026. In the first place, cost at 0.27 coins. Exorbitant costs earn 27, while lows earn 22. Found the middle value of cost earn 25.